Good morning. It's been a while since I have done some videos, recorded videos. This is a recorded video. And so first thing is I'm going to do two today. First one we're going to do is the Sew Sampler box. Believe it or not, it took forever for this box to get to me. When I first got my tracking, it said expedited. And I was thinking, oh, it's probably because now they know I'm a content creator, they expedited it. And they probably did, because it did say expedited and they sent it super early. And then I'm like, I still didn't get the box. It's the craziest thing. So I started looking at the tracking, and it went from like Texas to the East Coast, back to Texas, back up to the Midwest, then over down south, and then it came to me. So yeah, it's a thing. It's really crazy. At one time, it's a funny story. One time my Sew Sampler took forever, and it went to Puerto Rico. It was in San Juan. And I said, wait a second, let me see the address. It literally went to San Juan. I said I could almost have my mom drive 2.5 hours and pick it up, and I'd get it faster. It's not their fault. This is not complaining about them. They are offering where you can get it shipped sooner for, I think, like another $13. I just don't want to spend another $13. So just know that my Sew Samplers are probably going to be shown much later than others, and I have no control, nor do they. You know, it is what it is. So I just thought it was funny when you looked at the tracking. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Like I said, I use this seam ripper only for these nubs, so that's why this has a big thing, and it's really not that great, but it's great for packages, so we'll go with it. Plus, I don't know whatever happened to my opener anymore. I can't seem to find it. Okay, so you probably have all seen this, and this is the April Sew Sampler box. I actually have not been paying attention, but I do love my Sew Sampler box. So let's see. We got Enchanted in April. Ooh, we have a fat quarter flower shortcut quilt pattern. It's another idea that you could do using this, and you can download it free with this QR code. And then it's 25% off of my Sew Quilty Life patterns, and also receive $10 off of a $50 purchase. Actually, that is really fantastic. When does that expire? May 31st. I don't know. I really don't need more stuff, but that's good, Pat. Good coupon. Look at this. That's cute. Let me maybe put you closer. Oh, we'll put you much closer. Here we go. Zoom in. So we have this cute little sticker. And we have this crafty clutch. Quilt as you go. Printed stabilizer for one clutch. One white zippity doo done pre-sewn zipper. Oh. Huh. Now with go die cutting instructions. This is really neat. You know, she sends these June Taylor ones. I kind of am afraid to do any kind of bag making. I don't know why. The whole zipper and bag making thing, like I said, I've only ever made one, and it went really well, but it didn't have any zippers or anything. I think I might have to get out of my comfort zone with bags. So Creative Quilty Journal. You know, like, it's cute, but I have lots of journals. So I probably would have preferred, I'm just telling you my honest truth. I probably would have preferred thread or something like that, or something that I could use with this project. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. You know, I say that and then I probably use it. So, ooh, this is cute. Another one of those needle minders. And I actually have a bunch of these needle minders. This is a cute needle minder because we get them quite often in our boxes. And I don't do any handwork, but they are super cute. So I just put them right here. I had this little board, and look, I have all my Sew Sampler needle minders. That was from a Boo box, and that one's from a Boo box, right? Oops, put that there. And then now I have my So Happy one, and I have my other one. Yeah, I have this Lori Holt thing. So I have all my needle minders on that. What I think I might have to do is, I don't know, put this somewhere else. I do enjoy looking at them there, but I don't know. I may have to find somewhere else. That's cute. All right, so we have the fabric pattern and the first of the piece blanket quilt along. So here's that. And then here is the pattern Bobbin Blooms. I wish I could show you the alternative pattern. Let's see. Probably could if I did this. Yep. This is the alternative one. It's pretty cute too. So there's 2. This is cute. Very adorable. Look at that. And then I have this, it's called Flower Girl. And this is by My So Quilty Life. Let's look at this. So it's a Moda. And here is the code if anyone's interested. Ooh, these are luscious. Look at these. And I think these are fat quarters, right? Let's see. These are, what are these? Fat quarter. Yep, fat quarter. Look how pretty. Very pretty. And then I'll put them all together. I was going to go live this morning and I got so distracted I had to pack all my swap fabrics, and I'm really having a sluggish morning. So there they are, beautiful, and here is the pattern. For me, it's kind of cool because I feel like the box pays for itself, even if you don't like the journal and stuff like that. Between the fabric and the pattern, and that bonus pattern, you're pretty, I look at it as this other stuff as being bonus. So I have no complaints. I don't need any more books and paper. I have a whole drawer full here. But that's my personal feeling. I'm sure you guys don't have that same feeling. So I recommend this box. They're not paying me. I pay for this box. And then also the needle minder. And the needle minder. So I pay for this box, and I will continue. I like it. I think it's worth it, especially if you're a newbie. I would definitely check them out. So what am I working on? I am working on more of Tula patterns, Tula quilts. I am working on some content that will be a challenge, a content creator challenge, using a panel. I'm working on my Cotton Cuts snippet. I have to get that finished, and I have to actually fill out the paperwork to put it in. And that's about it. But anyway, everyone have a wonderful day, because I have a lot of chores to do today. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. And if you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm better on the comments now. I know I was lagging due to personal reasons, but I'm back up. So yes, go ahead and comment. Check out my little chickies. I put a little video about my chickies. But have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.